Riotouch has been dedicated to providing interactive educational equipment since 2010. Riotouch is not merely a manufacturer of interactive display screens. We are a one-stop supplier of education business and intelligent interactive solutions with 17 years of profound industry experience. In the education sector, our solutions cover digital campuses, pre-class preparation, classroom teaching, and post-class assessment. By providing artificial intelligence tools and interactive hardware, we help teachers enhance student engagement and teaching efficiency. In the business sector, we offer easy-to-use meeting solutions suitable for various room sizes, leveraging artificial intelligence functions to enhance global team collaboration, and have a cloud service system and DMS management system. We offer comprehensive customization services, including OEM, ODM, SKD, CKD, and provide technical support and production line guidance. We also offer seamless pre-sales consultation and considerate after-sales service, ensuring timely delivery, and possess more than 30 international certifications, CE, FCC, CCC, as well as rich intellectual property rights covering patents, trademarks, and software copyrights. Our flagship products include 4K interactive tablet displays ranging from 65 inches to 110 inches COB LED displays and AI intelligent whiteboards equipped with RK3588, RK3576 chips, and Android 1516 systems. These products' 16-screen projection functions, as well as real-time translation lesson preparation, and meeting summary artificial intelligence tools fully compatible with Windows OPS Mac systems. Riotouch aims to achieve intelligent collaboration and immersive learning, collaborating with global customers to jointly build a more efficient and interconnected future.